Hey, what's up you guys? I'm going to show you the 7 best affiliate programs for making reoccurring passive income every single month. Now guys, if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it's very simple. All you're doing is promoting other people's products, whether it's a digital product, a physical product like on Amazon or on Walmart. It really doesn't matter. All you're doing is promoting other people's products and you're getting a commission for that. There's millions of companies that are willing to pay you a commission to promote their product. Now, what I teach is high ticket affiliate marketing, but more importantly, I want to teach you how you can build your business for the long term. Now, these 7 affiliate programs that I'm going to show you, a lot of them come with monthly reoccurring commissions, which is one of my favorite ways to make money online, because once someone becomes a member of that product or that service, they pay every single month, which means passive income. Monthly passive income has totally changed my life. I've been able to go from electrical engineer, totally hating my life, to making a passive $20,000 to $30,000 per month, and I don't even have to work anymore. I can literally take off this next year and that's gonna pay me on a passive reoccurring basis. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I'm gonna teach you how to build a full-time 6-figure business with affiliate marketing. Guys, I've been able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time affiliate marketer within 9 months. So if you wanna learn exactly how you can do the same thing, how you can build a business, please subscribe to the channel and let's get into it. Now, here's the first affiliate program to make reoccurring passive income. Now, this is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. This is one of my favorite programs to promote. This is why it's #1 for me as far as monthly reoccurring commissions. Now, you get up to 40% monthly reoccurring commissions. Now, the cool thing about this is you also get bonuses when you hit a certain threshold. For example, when you get 100 members, you actually get an extra $500 a month for your dream car. It's called the Dream Car Award. It's a really cool award that I'm actually really close to winning. Now, the cool thing about this is the ClickFunnels affiliate program has multiple programs that you can promote. Now, again, this is just one of the programs I promote. ClickFunnels, if you don't know what it is, it's a funnel building software. I actually use it in my business every single day to automate my business, to collect leads. I have a membership area, I have courses in there. So it's a very useful software that I personally use. So it's a very easy software for me to promote because I obviously use it. Now, within the ClickFunnels affiliate program, there's multiple things that you can promote, not only the software, which is again a monthly recurring commission, but there's multiple things in here like the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is basically a 30-day course teaching you how to build a business from the ground up. There's a Traffic Secrets book, which is just a book, but there's multiple upsells within that book. For example, if I open this affiliate link up, there's multiple upsells within this book here. As you can see, there's the main book, you only get $1, but as you go through this process, there's multiple upsells. And that's why I like ClickFunnels, because they have so many ways to get more money from their customers, to provide more value, but to make you more money as the affiliate. Now guys, before we move on, I do want to mention, if you stick to the end of this video, I want to show you a way that you can promote all of these products with one link. I'm going to give you a plug and play system to show you how you can do this as soon as today if you stick to the end of this video. All right, affiliate program #2 for making monthly reoccurring passive income is TubeBuddy. Now, if you don't know what TubeBuddy is, it's basically a program that helps you rank #1 on YouTube. Obviously, I use this because I'm able to rank a lot of my videos very, very high. Now, this is one of the main programs I use to help my students crush it with YouTube, okay? It's a really awesome program. I'm not gonna show you how it works because this is not a review about TubeBuddy, but this is just the program that I promote. And I've actually become a super affiliate for their program, which I'll show you in just a second. But let me just show you how it works. You earn up to 50%, again, monthly reoccurring commissions, which is honestly, guys, the best thing in the world, because once you get people in, they will typically pay for life as long as, you know, they don't cancel, obviously, right? But as long as you teach them how to use it, which I do a decent job of. I do a good job of teaching people how to use these softwares, so it's easy for me to keep people on because I try to teach as best as I can on how to use these softwares. Now, as I mentioned, I recently became a super affiliate for TubeBuddy. It actually just happened today. I'm actually really excited about that. That means I got over 250 people signed up under me that are now paying monthly reoccurring commissions. So big milestone as far as this goes. I became a super affiliate for TubeBuddy. Really excited about that. Now, the third affiliate program for monthly reoccurring commissions is Legendary Marketer. Now, they are used mostly for high ticket affiliate commissions, but they do have monthly recurring commissions with their monthly products. Now I'm going to show you how Legendary Marketer works really quickly. If I go down, you can see the owner and CEO of Legendary Marketer is David Sharp. He's a 9-figure affiliate marketer or digital marketer who's been doing this for years and years. Now guys, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer, if I actually go to the affiliate page here, you can see that they give up to 20 to 60% of the commissions, depending on if it's a course or a mastermind training. There's multiple products within this program. Now let me show you within the affiliate dashboard all the products that they offer on the front end. Now, as you can see here, the business challenge, which is their low-end product, it's a $7 product here. The cool thing is within this funnel, within this system, there's a $7 product up to, I believe, a $10,000 product. So you can make high ticket commissions, but there's also monthly recurring commissions with these products as well. Now, they also have a 15-second free leads, which is a $1 TikTok course. I'm actually involved in that course. I actually was one of the ones that taught it. So I'm actually in here as well. They have their Insider's Guide ebook, and then they have their Copywriter's Playbook. So they have multiple products that you can promote with Legendary Marketer. Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is if I go to the pro streams of income, you can see here that you can actually put your affiliate links inside of Legendary Marketer, which is really cool. I can put my ClickFunnels affiliate link here, my GetResponse, and even my AWeber link. Now, you do have to pay for the pro account. I believe it's $30 a month, but they allow you to put your links within this system here. Now, the fourth best affiliate program for monthly reoccurring passive income is GetResponse. Now, if you don't know what GetResponse is, it's basically an autoresponder. It basically collects email leads from your clients, okay? Now, this is the autoresponder that I currently use. I love it. It's a great program. But if I go down here, you can see how the program works. Now, if you see this, there's a $100 bounty sale, right? So if you wanna do this, basically you get a one-time $100 commission. Now, if you're in this for the long term, I highly recommend that you go for the 33% commission, okay? Because remember, you want monthly reoccurring commissions. So if you can get someone in and they're gonna be paying for life, you want them to be in the 33% because you're gonna get that commission for life. Now, if I go to my earnings through GetResponse, you can see I've done a little over $2,000. So I'm currently growing this right now, but it's a great source of income, right? Again, I have multiple streams of income that add up to a very high amount. And that's the cool thing with affiliate marketing is you can have multiple streams of income. Now, as I mentioned, guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can promote all of these with just one link, guys. Really excited to show you this new thing that I'm coming out with. Now, affiliate program number 5 is AWeber. Now, this is going to be very similar to GetResponse, and it's an autoresponder. I actually don't currently use it, but I have used it, so I know how it works. So I do currently promote this. It's not something I actively promote because I do promote GetResponse as my number 1, but this is my number 2 autoresponder that I do promote. You can see here they do give a 30% reoccurring payment. Again, guys, I'm in this for monthly reoccurring passive income. I love being able to set this up once and be able to basically live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So that's why I love these monthly reoccurring commissions. Now, affiliate program number 6 is Bluehost. Now, if you don't know what Bluehost is, it's basically a hosting software. If you're looking to build a website or if you need a domain, this is the company that I promote to do that. Now, I currently use Bluehost. And one thing I want to mention, guys, is I promote products that I personally use. Literally every single one of these products I'm using because I believe in them. As an affiliate, I think it's really important that you promote products that you believe in. But that's another story for another video. I just want to throw that out there. But with Bluehost, you actually get $65 for everyone that signs up. I've done a pretty good amount with Bluehost so far. You can see over $3,000 with Bluehost, okay? This is just a website builder that allows you to build a website from the ground up. Now guys, again, I am gonna show you how to promote this all with one product, one system. I'm gonna make it really easy for you to promote all of these, because I know how it is when you first get started. It's hard to promote all these different products. It's a little overwhelming. I totally understand that. So I'm gonna show you exactly how in just a second. All right, you guys, so affiliate program number 7 is the Freedom Breakthrough, or the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge affiliate program. This is actually my program, guys. You do get 50% commissions on all offers. We do have multiple offers within the program. Now, we're actually adding so much more to this program, guys, that I can spend all day talking about it, but more to come later. But right now, we do have our $7 Business Breakthrough Challenge. Within this funnel, we actually have multiple upsells. We have a $34 upsell. We have a $47 YouTube upsell, then we have a $147 coaching call, and then that leads into our main program, Freedom Breakthrough. That's $997, and then from here, guys, we do have our one-on-one coaching program, our mentoring, our YouTube ads program. It just goes on, and you get 50% commissions on all of these products. Now, to become an affiliate for Freedom Breakthrough, you do have to go through the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge first. Once you go through the challenge, then you can become an affiliate, because I want affiliates that know what my product offers and not just someone promoting it just because they want to make an extra buck. So that's one thing I do require, is that you do go through the beginner challenge at least, so you can understand how the process works. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video on the 7 best affiliate programs for monthly reoccurring passive income. Now, I do want to mention, how can you promote all of these programs, right? What if you want to promote multiple programs, but you want to be able to focus on one core product, right? Because at the end of the day, it's really important that you do focus on that one core product, but you do have multiple programs on the back end. I get that question all the time. How do you promote so many programs when you're only promoting one program on the front end, right? That's exactly what I recommend anyways, because you don't want to confuse your customer. Now, what I do, okay, is I have a way to get people on my email list. Now let me just show you exactly what I mean. So this is the page that I get people on my email list, okay? So this is actually called a lead magnet, where I'm giving them a free book, okay? And I'm trading that for their email address. And basically what I'm doing is I'm building my email list, which is the most important part of your online business, okay? Now, once they download this book, I grab their email address, as you can see right here, but then they get this book here, okay? This is really cool, because once they get this book, there's multiple affiliate links within this book, okay? Now, there's a ton of affiliate links, such as the TubeBuddy affiliate program, the ClickFunnels affiliate program, Freedom Breakthrough, Legendary Marketer, Bluehost, GetResponse. Literally, all these links are in here. Now, what I want to mention, guys, is I want to give you this book so you can literally edit the links here and use it for your own business, okay? Why am I doing that? Because I want to help you guys grow your business and brand. I want to be able to help you guys grow your business from scratch, okay? And I think this is gonna be a great way to help you build your business by using my brand, by using my authority, okay? Now, I want to show you how you can get access to this book and how you can get the funnel and the ebook, okay? This is the 3-Day Challenge members area. You can see here that right here, let me just pull this up. Get my white label funnel and ebook. You can see here that inside of this program, you can get the 3-Day Challenge funnel, which is basically this right here. It's a plug and play funnel. But on top of that, you actually get the ebook where you can literally, I'll let you download it and edit the links, okay? Yeah, you also get the checklist. You also get the video on how to do that as well. That way you have the instructions on how to do that. But anyways, guys, if you do want access to that, I'm gonna leave a link down below to the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. As a bonus, you're gonna get the white label ebook and the funnel. And guys, this challenge is only $7. It's gonna show you how to build your business from the ground up, how I left my 9-to-5 job within 9 months and built a 6-figure business. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the top 7 best affiliate programs for monthly reoccurring commissions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and have a blessed day.